Good evening, everyone. Today, we'll explore the foundational concepts of mass communication as presented in Chapter 1 of Joseph Turo's Media Today. And this chapter delves into the nature of mass media, the phenomenon of media convergence, and the importance of media literacy in our digital age. Firstly, what is mass communication? Mass communication refers to the process of creating and sending messages to large, diverse, and often anonymous audiences through various media platforms. Unlike interpersonal communication, which involves direct interaction between individuals, and mass communication utilize technologies such as television, radios, and newspaper and the internet to disseminate the information to a broad audience. And the key characteristics of the mass communication include industrial production, content produced by organizations, not individuals, and technical distribution. Utilize tools like TV, radio, and the internet, and audience reach, capable of reaching millions simultaneously. For instance, a live broadcast of the Super Bowl reaches viewers worldwide, showcasing the power of mass communication. And media convergence refers to the merging previously distinct media technologies, industry, and content forms due to digital advancement. And the key aspects of media convergence. Firstly, technological convergence. Devices like smartphones combine functionalities of phones, cameras, and computers, and industrial convergence, that is, media companies expand into various platforms. For example, Disney owning TV channels, movies, and like streaming services, and the last one is content convergence. That is, a single story may appear across movies, books, and video games. And this convergence changes how media is produced, distributed, and consumed, leading to a more integrated and interactive media experiences. And mass communication involves several key elements. The first one is source, the originator of the message. For example, a news organization. And the second one is encoding. And the process of creating the message, for example, writing an article. The third one is transmission, sending the message through a medium that is publishing online. And the fourth one is reception. The audience receives the message. The fifth one is decoding. The audience interpret the message. And the next one is feedback. The audience response. For example, like comments and shares. And the second last one is noise. That is any interference that affects message delivery. For example, technical issues. Last but not least, context. The environment in which communication occurs, and for example, cultural or social or something like that. For example, a journalist that is source writes an article that is encoding and which is published online, that is transmission, and read by the audience, that is reception, and who then comments, that is feedback. Okay, I hope you understand. And a media system encompasses the organizations, technologies, and processes involved in the creation, distribution, and consumption of media content. The key components are content creation, like journalists, filmmakers, game developer, and distribution platform. For example, TV stations, streaming services, and social media, and exhibition, how and where the content is accessed. For example, cinemas or mobile apps. For instance, the production of a Netflix series involves scriptwriter, actors, and directors. That is content creation. And Netflix as a platform, that is distribution, and viewers accessing the series on various devices, that is exhibition. And media literacy is the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create media in various forms. And the importance of media literacy is empowers individuals to critically assess media messages, and it helps in recognizing biases and misinformation, and also it enhances understanding of media roles in society, and a media literate individual discern credible news sources from fake news and understand the underlying motives behind advertisement. And recent trends in the media landscape include audience fragmentation, that is, dividing audience into smaller groups based on demographics and interests, and that is leading to target content and personalized content. Acknowledging suggests content based on individual preferences. Interactive platform. Social medias allow for two-way communication between creators and audience, and these changes have led to a more personalized and interactive media experience, and where audience have greater control over the content they consume. And in conclusion, understanding mass communication, media convergence, and media literacy is crucial in navigating the modern media landscape, and these concepts help them critically engage with the media we consume and recognize the profound impact of media has on our perception and society. And thank you for your attention. And that's all about my presentation. And see you next time.